Welcome to 99minds, the platform for managing omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up referral features in 99minds. To get started, make sure you're logged in and on the dashboard screen. Once you're there, click on the menu bar on the left side. Now, locate the referral section and click on Configure. If you've already set it up, like in my case, you'll still want to click on the Configure button to proceed. Here, we'll need to save several settings: general settings, referral code length, referral code prefix, and the character set. Once you've done that, click Save. Don't forget to set the fraud settings too. You'll find various options for fraud settings. Choose the ones that fit your requirements and click Save. Next, let's move to the friend reward settings. Here, you'll select the coupon rule for the friend. If you've already created a coupon rule, simply click Save. Moving on to the advocate reward settings, click on Get Started to configure this section. You'll need to create a workflow for successful referrals. Once done, close this screen. I've already set up some coupon rules for referrals, which I'll show you. Here we have the referral coupon for friends. This referral coupon rule type has already been created. You'll notice that this same rule is visible in the friend reward setting. This is how you can set it up. And there you have it. This is how you can configure the referral part in 99minds. Thanks for watching.